American Standard Error Code 115 indicates a low voltage lockout in your HVAC system. This means the system has detected insufficient electrical voltage, typically in the 24 volts control circuit, and has shut down to prevent damage to components like the compressor and electronics. Sustained low voltage can cause overheating or burnout. This is a common issue across American Standard air conditioners, heat pumps, and furnaces. Diagnosing code 115 requires a systematic approach. Begin by using a multimeter to check the voltage output of the 24 volts transformer. Then test the voltage at the control board and various terminals. Inspect wiring for continuity and secure ground connections. Capacitor testing may also be necessary. Always disconnect power before servicing to avoid electrical shock and use insulated tools. The first common fix for error code 115 is replacing a failing 24 volts transformer. If the transformer's output voltage is low, it can cause the low voltage lockout. Replace the transformer to restore proper power supply to the control circuit. The second fix involves replacing faulty capacitors. Components like the run capacitor for the blower motor can fail and cause voltage drops leading to the lockout. Inspect and replace any defective capacitors to stabilize the electrical system. Third, inspect all wiring connections. Make sure they are tight and free of corrosion. Loose or corroded wires can increase electrical resistance, leading to voltage drops. Use a multimeter to check continuity and ground connections. Finally, after addressing the hardware issues, reset the system. Cycle the power by turning it off and on, or use the diagnostic mode. On many control boards, press the Test button to clear error code 115 and restart the system. Recent American Standard models have firmware updates released since 2024 that enhance voltage monitoring. These updates, available for models like the Freedom 95 and Silver series, reduce false lockouts and often allow for real-time voltage logging via a system's app. Furthermore, integration with smart home systems like Nest or Ecobee enables remote diagnostics, alerting users to potential voltage issues before a lockout occurs. Check if your system can be updated. The HVAC industry is moving towards predictive maintenance using AI-powered diagnostics. By 2026, smart thermostats can predict voltage issues, potentially preventing a significant percentage of lockouts. Future systems will incorporate variable frequency drives to stabilize voltage, making them more reliable in various power conditions. This aligns with the industry's move towards IoT. Let's examine real-world examples to better understand how Code 115 manifests and gets resolved. During the 2025 Midwest heatwave, numerous Code 115 incidents occurred due to overloaded power grids causing voltage sags. Technicians often resolved these issues by replacing faulty capacitors in the affected units. In another real-world example, a homeowner who upgraded to a smart control board received an app notification about a voltage dip following a storm. This early warning prevented a full system lockout, demonstrating the value of modern technology. These case studies highlight the critical importance of addressing Code 115 promptly to avoid system damage and showcase the benefits that modern smart technology can provide in preventing and managing voltage issues. HVAC experts recommend annual voltage checks, especially in areas with unstable power grids. While some fixes are DIY capable, professional help is advised for safety and warranty reasons. Code 115 represents a notable percentage of American Standard service calls. Preventive maintenance, such as annual tune-ups, can significantly reduce occurrences and save on potential repair costs. Professional fixes typically have a high success rate on the first visit,